1 minute. Not a far risk. Lead! Spotted. Double timing it. Give my shields a recharge. Out in the chimney. Giving him the chimney.
This is
My shields a recharge. Up in the chimney. Healing. Watch my back. Come on in. Old Painless is waiting. Heads down. Airstrike agent close. Healing. Watch my back. Enemy shield. Got him. Easy. I can take out this last squad. .45? Ring ain't far. Giving him the chimney. Take it two. Ring's close. Easy 30. Frag spotted. Double timing it.
no.
what city's using their hair. This is called a magazine. Dinner's gotta wait, Echo. We're up.
Today smells like victory. I love pretending to smell. Sniff, sniff.
Sniff, sniff.
Introducing your champion.
I am the hunter the gods have sent.
Hold your breath. Let's go over there.
Agreed.
Putang ina.
Attention. First blood.
First blood on the enemy.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Boosted loader.
We're inside the ring. Got the positional advantage.
Optics here. Close range.
Burst in a hole.
Ba't umiiyak? Davi?
Gotta hop up here. Hammer point. Optics here. Mid-range.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Great. Already inside the ring.
Another level means another upgrade means survival. Okay, picked an upgrade. Good work, Waiting Echo. Launching to a new angle.
New kill leader. If they're getting cocky, they're getting sloppy. Attention. Delivering care package.
Let's go this way.
Care package coming down. Replenish the stores.
Care package over there. Care package over there. Enemy spotted. Firing. Reloading. Wow, looks like that was the last one in the squad. Zipline time. I am taking fire, friends.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Getting shot at.
Wow.
Bisa.
Echo's got an angle. Moving there.
Up in the chimney.
Airstrike on. Destroying Rockstar. Repel on.
Watch my back. I'm healing.
Double timing it. Fire. Double timing it. Reloading. Check the sectors. Another squad is incoming. Firing. Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Getting shot at. Trying. I'm down.
What? What?
On me.
Hold tight. We got your back.
Oh my god.
Hello?
Hello. Wait lang ah.
Lang.
Recharging
Ano?
shield.
Map lang ako.
Yeah.
Watch my back. I'm healing.
Reloading. Angle down.
Reloading.
Tataka ako sa mga gamit nitong baril. Hindi ko nakikita yung kalaban. Putang ina.
Champion's out. Champion of what?
My shields are recharged.
I killed an enemy.
Wala ko ambag sa kanila.
Current angle sucks. Switching it up.
Wouldn't let down range. Eating red. Off the right. I'm spotted. Up in the chimney. Already on my mark. Firing for effect.
Hold squad down. Now we can move them.
Touching down.
Wow. Oh, tsa. Wala akong nakuha. Galing naman itong dalawang to, puta. Wala akong nalulot tayo. Bilis nila. Kati ng ilong ko.
Back tower, friends. I think we should move that way.
Found a heat shield here.
Who's ready to fly on a zipline? I am. Lucky us, we are already inside the ring.
Cover me.
Crafty. Crafting. Feels good to make stuff.
I'm crafting. Enemy spotted.
2 people.
Incoming care
3
package.
people.
I love loot.
Saw someone out there.
Hostile over there.
Stay focused. Look at enemy shield.
Puta!
Throwing arc star. Relook at the broken enemy shield. Need a lead.
Roof dead.
Pubs pa rin pala. Pubs ba? Rex, tara. Uy, plus 12.
Firing range lang. Wait lang.
Okay. Raiken, saan makikita yung parang ano,
Alin?
yung... Ay, wala pala ako nun kasi diamond lang yung may ano, diba? Yung may... Yung pag nag-drop ka, yung may trail.
Hindi, meron na ngayon. Yung mga... Pag dito? Yung mga ibang trail ngayon, ano, binibili niyan. Wala nang trail sa rank.
Ah, talaga?
Hmm.
Saan? Saan ko makikita yung mga trail?
Wala, ano lang yun. Collection event. Pag may, ano, prestige skin ka.
Mm. Okay.
Yay. Like yun sa akin, yung Revenant na prestige, meron ako.
Copy.
Hmm. Yung parating ngayon, yung lifeline na prestige. Tignan mo. Yan nga lang, butas wallet mo. Kung okay lang mabutas wallet mo, go ahead.
No thanks. Nabala na, uy. Pero ang ganda ng mga skin, oh. Kakatuwa. Uy,
Bili
pwede
na.
kong bilhin. Para lang gusto kong bilhin na skin.
Tingnan mo dun sa ano, punta sa store, tapos yung mythics. Tapos punta ka dun, scroll down mo dun sa prestige skins. Tapos makikita mo may mga dive trail dun.
Ano? Eh, gago. Ganda ng itsura ni Loba.
Hmm.
Saka na pag marami na akong pera. Taray, exotic shards. Pag ganun.
Yes.
Ganda, oh.
Bili na.
Fuck. Mali. 610 shards lang. What the fuck? 600 times 5. What the hell? Tara, buhatin mo na ako. Nyi.
Ni.
So, sino nga si Lodi?
Ha? Ako ay isang normal naman lalaro lamang.
i-PM mo na lang nang malaman na yan.
Ay,
Sino
hindi
ba?
ko ba na-PM sa'yo?
Di pa loads, guys. Yo, mag-rank ba kayo or pubs? Bronzy pa rin ako. Magpa-pubs tayo kung sasali ka na. Tara na. Okay lang naman sa akin, pubs. Wala namang kaso.
Yan. PM ko sa'yo. Hello!
Sige.
Hi, Nix!
Chas! Pasok ka. Oy, hi! Who the hell? Hindi ko siya kalala. Ano to? Streamer din?
Oo.
Twitch.
Daanan mo na lang.
Twitch?
Teka,
Twitch.
DM ko sa'yo.
Sige. Ah, okay. Mahanap nga.
Is your champion.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Chas! Wait lang, one game lang rank. Tas tara.
Oh, sige.
Okay lang sa'yo, Pubs?
Tagat.
Wala kasing ano to eh. Walang smurf to si ano eh. Si Raikes. Tapos kailangan pa sa EA. Walang ya. Ba't kasi wala kang Steam? Raiken.
Ayoko, corny Steam.
Gago.
Corny and Steam. Doon tayo sa original.
Let's land here.
Wait. Anong meme niya sa Twitch?
Yan.
Yan mismo.
Mm.
Yung ito. Tsaka ka.
Tingnan mo yan, tingnan mo yung bio, tingnan mo yung bio.
Dali lang, tingnan ko. Sig. Wala. Ano?
Stream mo daw yung bio.
Oh my God! Bakit ganito siya? Ito yung pinag-uusapan namin, Chas. Pero wag mo na lang i-mention yung name.
Pogi yan, guys.
Ah, wait.
1 minute. The ring is in
Ba't ka... Natawa naman ako.
Ako, bio pa lang yan. Pag nagsalita yan, wala ka na, di ka na makasalita.
Seryoso.
Mm.
Kita mo, Chas?
Ah,
Promise. Sa isang tanong mo, bukas na matatapos yung pag sinagot niya.
Ah, wait.
Bukas na matatapos sa ang daming explanation na hindi naman kailangan.
Kailangan. It's the way you mention, naintindihan ko na kung bakit na-off ka sa kanya.
Alam mo, okay lang kung maglaro ka pa, malakas eh.
extended heavy mag here. Level 3.
10 seconds.
Wala
Ring
eh.
just ahead.
OA ba sa confidence?
Dito sa harap meron
Parang,
Somewhere here. Malayo.
wait lang, Chas, ha?
sige lang. Nanood lang ako. Stream.
Mag-warm up ka muna.
Ano yun? Ayoko na.
Ay, taray. That's why we're friends. No warm up. Kati ng ilong ko, men. Shucks. Ayoko magkasakit. Nag-ano na kasi ako nag-stop na ako mag-vape. Tuloy ako. Ang tawag doon, withdrawal.
Package being delivered.
Tapos binabaan ko yung
Care package
sensitivity.
over there. Care package over there.
Kapag si Raiken, puta yung sensitivity ni Raiken, di ako maka left, right.
Umalis na.
Sanay ako. Sa mabilis eh. Nahirapan ako.
Kunin ko lang yung loot bin dito.
Okay.
Meron dyan, nasa harap ka.
Harvester here. I hope we can be friends.
Dito lang?
Enemy spotted.
Dyan, meron dyan kanina. Ewan ko nandiyan pa.
Kala ko malis na.
Di mo sure. Dito tayo.
Okay, wait
Ay.
lang. Okay.
Pat ng loadout ko
Let's check out that way, friends.
Alam mo, okay naman yung R301 Nakakabasag ako agad kanina.
Tapatan ka ng hapon.
Power deploying.
Yari ka.
Evil harvester here. I hope we can be friends.
Flatline naman wala nagbago, no?
Wala. Lakas pa
Masarap
rin.
pa rin siya gamitin.
Lasa.
Sinigang. Gago ka, akala mo dito sasabihin.
Got my upgrade, ladies.
Wala ka
Wait, it's
energy.
looted here, man. Okay.
Uy, Nemesis! Lapit lang. Lapit lang. Ay, layo. Naman.
Enemy spotted.
Saan? Nag-arrest?
Ay, gago!
Ay, meron. Ingat. Smoke.
Ah,
Double time it. Popping the chimney. Give my shields a recharge.
Wala makita.
sabi mo
Balik
smoke
ka
eh.
dito. Dito ka.
Ito na!
Sa likod. Baba!
Ah!
Meron din.
Giving him the chimney.
Putang ina. Gago. Dami, Rikes. Meron pa dito sa kabilang side, Rikes.
Company out there.
Nakita ko dito sa tower.
Malis ako. I'm super low. Ay, shit. Kaki.
Mararas kita.
Sige lang. Lapit ako.
Hindi. Mag-ult ako para wala
Ay!
lumapit. No.
Go. Tinamaan ka?
Oo.
Finish kitting ako ah.
Sige.
Give my
16 seconds yung smoke ko.
Sige.
Taking a knee. Patching up.
Ka tayo.
Putang ina.
Eating lead.
Na ano ba kayo? Putang ina.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Arc star out.
So, magawa ng space ah.
Give my shield a recharge.
1 sec. Using my Phoenix.
Baba tayo, punta tayo dito kung kaya.
Yeah, wait.
Ang dami.
They're shooting at me. Giving my shields a recharge.
Ang dami dito, baba ko. Baba ko ah.
Tara.
Spotted. Double timing it.
Wait lang.
Enemies are shooting at me.
Saan tayo, Rex?
Ang
Diretso
dami.
ka?
Diretso.
Timing it.
Ang hirap doon. Dami. Every angle meron.
Lulut lang ako.
Smoke out.
Ako ka pa mag-loot, diba?
Wala nang resource ah. Wala
I
akong
am repairing myself.
Dami ang putik, every angle.
I'm crafting. More friends are coming to kill us. There's another. I have been down. Making contact with
Sabi
enemies.
ko sa'yo. Layo mo tangi.
Sabi niya.
Pwede peri 4 lang. Ayaw mo sila. Try natin, pasok tayo doon.
Okay.
Ah, champions out, huh? Throne's ours for the taking.
Wala tayong support. Sorry, my friend. I need RP.
So,
Wala sa loob? Ay, hindi. Wala pala.
So, Raiken, nakalaro mo to.
Sino?
Ito.
Ha?
Si Link.
Wala. Hindi yan Hindi yan makaka-drone sa akin. Yan lang masasabi ko.
We're inside the
Hindi niya
ring.
malalabas
Got
drone
the
niya.
positional advantage.
Ako drone.
Hindi, I mean, kaya ka na ano, kasi nakalaro mo siya, tapos
Hindi.
parang,
Nakita ko lang kung paano siya maglaro. Sasandami niya sinasabi. Yun lang. Basta bad trip na ako.
akala ko nakalaro
Package
mo.
incoming.
Hindi, nakalaro ko once. Pero alam ko rin yung ugali nung nakalaro ko. Kaya inano ko lang.
Ah, kaya ka na, oh.
Pero mag-support. May support pa tayo. Ay, wala pala tayong support.
Next game may support kayo.
Yan, si Chaz. Dito tayo kay
sa pere.
Chazzy.
Dito tayo.
San? Okay.
Kaya mo siya.
Follow the leader lang tayo, guys. Kati ng ilong.